In this tutorial I will show you how to convert a Mixamo character to Unreal. Go to the Mixamo.com. Register if you haven't already. Go to the Characters tab and choose a character whatever you want. All Mixamo characters have a similar bone structure to the Unreal mannequin, so they all are suitable for the conversion. Download the character and save it. I already have one, so I overwrite it. Open new Blender file and delete default objects. Set the scene scale to 0.01. But I will show you what to do if you forget it or you want to convert your own Rigify character. Go to File, Import FBX. Set animation to false. Ignore leaf bones to true. Set the armature view to in front for better look. Check out bones names. They should not contain any prefixes. Some of the Mixamo characters have separated meshes and prefixes in bone names. Join the meshes with Ctrl-J. This character have the boy prefix in his bones. You can remove it with the Remove Prefix button. Back to our character. Set the active mapping to Mixamo, Rigify. Press Convert Character by Mapping. Now you have a Rigify rig. Check the rig. In future videos I will show you what to do if rig is broken, or script falls. For correct work of Unreal animations, a character should be in the default mannequin A pose. You can pose Rigify character in the mannequin pose if you press the Pose Character button. Something went wrong. She should stay at place. It happened because we have a default 1 scene scale. Ctrl-Z to undo that. Again set the scene scale to 0.01. Now she is too small. So scale the armature 100 times bigger. Two meters height is too tall for this lady, so scale her down a little. For scaling Rigify rigs, the add-on have a special button. If you try to apply scale with the default method, the rig will break. Apply scale on the mesh too. Now we can successfully press the pose button. After posing a character, press Add Unreal Skeleton button. One more thing before you can export your character to the Unreal. Blender fails to export FBX with textures if they are packed. So you need to unpack them. Or you can try some better FBX exporters than default. I'm too lazy for that. I will show you the vanilla method. Select the rig and the mesh. Export FBX. Choose only selected objects. Smoothing, face. Add leaf bones, off. Only deform bones, on. Bake animation, off. Name your file and export. You can save your settings for future exports. Now inside the Unreal Engine, I created a folder for our character. Import the created FBX from Blender. Skeleton. Character is successfully imported. She have some ruggedness issues, you can fix them in the shader. Select the character on the map and press Ctrl B to find it in the project folder. In the character blueprint, select the skeletal mesh and replace the mannequin with our character. We are done here. Thank you for watching.